everyone. My name is Jessica or Miss Jessica, and I am so excited because this is my first video for my new YouTube channel, my first ever YouTube channel called Miss Jessica's Preschool. So let me explain a little bit about how this all happened. A little history about me. I went to school for elementary education and got my master's in that as well. And I taught for about 8 years until my girls were born. I have twin girls, and we decided that I would stay home. So for the past 7 years, I've been home with them. And now that they have gone to school, I started teaching classes with my local recreation department. And it is a little class for 3 and 4-year-olds. And it's just a class to get kids ready before they move on to 4K. So we sit at the carpet and I read a story, and then we do a craft together, we sing a song, and then we go and play. So I was teaching that class for about 2 years until the pandemic started. And then we all went onto Zoom, and I started teaching it on Zoom. And I still am. This year we started the school year again, and I'm teaching my class on Zoom. And it's become very popular, and I can see that there is a lot of families out there who are at home and they don't know what to do with their 3 or 4-year-old, especially if they're working from home too, or if they have older kids at home and they're trying to do their schoolwork. And I saw that there really wasn't a lot of videos. There wasn't a lot of things like that for this age. So I decided that I would put my class on YouTube. I love doing this class. It's so much fun for me. I have all the things still from when I was teaching. I love to go on Pinterest and get good ideas to share with everybody. So I thought I would just make it more accessible for everyone, especially because if you can't come to my actual recreation department sponsored class at the certain time, or if you don't have the money to pay for it, then it just doesn't work for you, and it might not fit into your schedule right now. Everybody's schedules are kind of different and money is tight, so I thought that this was another way that I could share. So I hope you enjoy the videos I'm going to make. I'm going to post them on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 11 o'clock, and then in November they will be every day. All right, so I hope you enjoy, and wait to see my next one. It's going to be posted soon. See you later.